Bubbles! It's like a bubble.
Don't go too close.
Big bubbles! Big bubbles!
Who's being attacked by bubbles?
Me!
Me!
Are you attacked by bubbles?
It's the revenge of the killer bubbles! No, put your hands through.
Bubble in my ass!
Blake, come on. Blue's out. Put some this on. Do you remember? What? Look, we're getting ready to dress Ron up. Where's Ron?
One and here's one pizza. One, where is your glass? And here's some.
Ron's got my glasses on.
Yes.
Are you wearing my glasses? You monkey. Look, she's trying to kill me again. Ow! Help me! Help me, Isabel! Come on, you're supposed to be in charge. Oh, that's it. I'm going to sleep now, don't I?
Okay, fine, I'll get on.
Oh no, Boris is getting squashed. Help! Help!
You're getting squashed. We're getting squashed, I think.
No.
Why are you wearing Stephanie's glasses?
How's Ron doing?
Good. Good. He's doing great. He's doing great.
It's hilarious.
He's doing great. I'm making dessert.
I don't think Izzy's impressed with Elsa Ron, are you? You're not like Elsa Ron. Why not? Well, she's a teacher. She's in charge while I go to sleep, aren't you?
I'm in charge. I'm in charge. I don't need glasses.
I'm in charge.
I'm in charge.
And when I'm not in charge, whoever I hand the glasses to is in charge. So, Izzy's in charge. It's Miss Izzy today, isn't it?
He's Sue Miss Izzy. He's Sue Baby.
I've got to huggle Ron. Ron's horrid.
It's been 2 minutes. Here you go. Here's the pizza. Pizza, pizza. Hey.
You're going to hurt your eyes if you wear my glasses. Little blurry. Can you see? Can you see me? Cool. Oh no, I can't see you. Take Ron! Take Ron! We're going to be revolting children. Are you a revolting child? Are you? Am I a revolting child? What do you mean, yes? You monkey! That's what we're going to do.